I bought Stephen Lee's book, Kombucha Revolution, as a total newbie, somebody who just wants to start to learn how to make kombucha. I haven't started actually using it yet, but I'm reading and reading and reading, and he does give you the confidence, and I can't wait to start. He's given you the basic way to create the starter culture. Plus, Stephen has gone on to over 75 different recipes with kombucha, different flavors. As you can see, ramen noodles, cocktails, salad dressings. He's so imaginative and creative, and he'll get you thinking about just all the different ways that you can create with kombucha, let alone just thinking out of the box. He's a great starter for just jump-starting your own thinking. He is actually the founder of Tezo Tea and Stash Tea, so he knows a lot about teas. The book itself is beautiful. Such beautiful, pretty photographs. He's written in such a nice, very conversational, but very fun way. He's got an enlightening, and he doesn't give you too much to scare you away, and it's just kind of perfect.